Hello everyone, I am Harshani. I am from University of Peradeniya, Faculty of Management, Department of Management Studies. Today I am going to present about my own online business proposal of the Keki Bake Shop, Sri Lanka. The main objective of my presentation is to provide more information about my business idea to the customer. So first, let's see the content of the presentation. Firstly, introduction of the presentation, vision, mission, and goals of the business, our products, explain business canvas model, SWOT analysis, feasibility analysis, e-commerce concept, future plans, and lastly, conclusion. When we comes to the introduction of business information, firstly, Keki Bake Shop, Sri Lanka. Nature of the business. Keki Bake Shop is the cake shop that provides various types of customized cakes. There are various range of products the needs of our customers. Operation hours 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. I use location, telephone number, and email address to get orders and for customer relationship. I sell my products through online platform such as Facebook and website. I deliver our products through courier service. That is my business background. When it comes to the vision, mission, and goals of the Keki Bake Shop, our vision is to deliver a full customer satisfaction through our best quality cakes products and to be the best e-business in making variety of custom cakes in Sri Lanka. Our mission is to create the best tasting customized cakes and seeks innovation in the flavors cakes items in the industry. Our goals to provide best quality of products to the customers, create various custom cakes and cupcakes, and to win the hearts of our customers through providing our products. Our products, I provide customers any kind of cakes they want. Customers have the right to decide the colors, design, taste, and flavors of the cakes they want. I provide these types of cakes. There are wedding cakes, birthday cakes, anniversary cakes, cupcakes, and lunchbox cakes. When it comes to the business canvas model, this is the primary phase of my project implementation. Keki Bake Shop business canvas model can identify the key partners, key resources, value proposition, customer relationship, customer segments, key activities, channels, cost structure, and the revenue stream. When it comes to the key partners, it includes suppliers that sell materials and ingredients. Key activities make custom cakes for the customer's order and preference. Make cakes for events. We make cakes for birthday parties, weddings, and other celebration events. Make cupcakes and lunchbox cakes. When it comes to the value proposition, can custom design. Customer can design their cakes how they want. We provide delivery service to the customer within 3 kilometers. We use for make cakes high quality ingredients. Customer relationship. We social media, Facebook is another way to engage with our existing and potential customers. Survey forms. I use some Google Forms, get their responses and ideas about my products and engage them. And the next one is the customer segments. We are provide our products for the families, young and adults, weddings customers, sweet eaters, birthdays, and other celebrations customers. Key resources. We have suppliers who supply high quality ingredients. We have skilled workers for making cakes. Strong advertising via Facebook. We developing our website. We have complete equipments with proper maintenance. When it comes to the channels, our Facebook page is www.facebook.kekibake.com and our website www.kekibake.com. Customer can also engage via WhatsApp. Next one is the cost structure. There are manufacturing cost, technology cost, advertising cost, and material and ingredient cost. Next one is the revenue stream. It includes the revenue from product selling and weddings. In this slide, I'm going to talk about SWOT analysis of my business. SWOT means strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strength, I have equipments and various cake structures for the preparing cakes. Have good knowledge of preparing cakes. And I have knowledge about the business got from the university. When it comes to weaknesses, lack of financial resources, availability of information regarding the customer orders and preferences, didn't have enough equipment for huge quantity of orders, and lack of professional skills. Opportunities. We are provides local unique products for customers using natural coloring and other ingredients. And social media advertising. Special events like weddings, birthdays, and other celebrations. When it comes to threats, existing competitors in the market and high cost of the ingredient used in makes cakes. Feasibility analysis. Technical feasibility. We have facilities and equipments for production. Ability to connect with customers over the internet via Facebook. We have inputs like high quality ingredients. Market feasibility. We conduct the SWOT analysis and I create the Google form for feedback. Managerial feasibility. We organizing resources with the requirements of customers. In this slide, I'm going to talk about e-commerce concept. Kekibake Shop is the partial e-commerce business. It offers digital or physical ordering. Customer can either order through online like website or social media or physically, digital or physical processing, and physical delivery. That's why we are talking it is a partial e-commerce business. And currently we are developing internet marketing. For that, I created a Facebook page for advertisement and customer engagement. And we develop website for B2C services and also using website ordering and payments. Customers can payments using their credit or debit cards. Future plans of my business. I want to enter the international market and I want to register the business as a listed company. Finally, I expect to start a cake decorating class for who love to learn it. Finally, we have come to the conclusion part of my business proposal. Initially, you get knowledge about my business from introduction of the business part, and then we develop our vision, mission, and goals, and you get better understanding our products, business canvas model analysis, feasibility analysis, e-commerce concept used in Cakey Bakey Shop, and identify future plans of my business. And finally, thank you.